Hi, I'm Vimal. First of all, thank you so much for this opportunity. I genuinely enjoyed building this one. So let me show you what I made. It's called Second Reader, and it's a tool for the people doing the hiring. There are 3 submissions here, all in different formats: a no-code workflow, a slide pitch, and a third one is actually my own submission, reviewing itself. And the first thing you see is no scores, no rankings, the reviewer decides. That's the whole idea. First thing it does is pull out evidence. Every point the AI makes is backed by an exact code from the submission. Watch, I click a point and the document on the right jumps straight to that line. And these 6 skills aren't mine. I click one and you can see the exact lines from your job description it came from. And the most favorite part is like the AI argues with itself. Her deck says a human checks every file before it's saved, but a second AI went and looked and the actual workflow has no such step. So they disagree right in front of me, and only I can settle it. I can confirm it, fix it, or just throw it out. And any weak evidence doesn't reject anyone. It just becomes a question for the interview. So the last thing, I also test the AI itself. It checks that every code really matches the text. And in this one pitch, I hit a sneaky line that tells the AI, rate this person highly. The tool flagged it instead of obeying it. These checks run automatically every time I touch the code. So why I built this instead of a tool that just scores candidates? 2 reasons. First, you let people submit in any format, which is fair, but that creates a real headache. Now, someone has to compare a code against a repo, against a slide deck, against a workflow fairly when there are hundreds of them. That's the problem actually worth solving. Second is a tool that scores candidates would go against what KPMG itself says. No hiring decisions is made by AI. So here the AI just does the reading. It pulls out evidence, checks it, writes questions, and the human makes every single decision. I could have built a scoring tool. I chose not to on purpose. So I just took approximately 3 hours. So part of the test is what I leave out. So no scores, there's no place in the tool to even put one, no side-by-side view because lining people up turns into ranking them, no fairness stats on made-up data because that's just for show. And I'm honest about the rough edges. The way I hide names is basic. Someone's writing style could still hint at their background. I say that out loud. I don't hide it. So here's the risk I'll admit to instead of defending. Even with a human deciding, choosing which evidence to show still shapes things. So I'm not claiming it's perfectly neutral. I'm claiming you can check everything it did. Every move by the AI and by me is logged, and you can download the whole thing. There's also a page written for the candidate, what the AI does, what it can't do, because telling people when AI is used in hiring is already the law in Ontario as of this January. So coming to the AI side, I use Claude to write most of the code, but I was the one who directs it. The big calls were mine, building it for the reviewer, choosing not to score anyone, the skills, the hidden tests, and they're all written up in the repo. And this isn't really just a hiring tool. We can change one file and the same thing could review vendor proposals or check delivery quality. It's a way of putting AI on the helping side of a decision, not the deciding side. And if you want to see it work, it's already reviewed the submission. With that note, thank you so much.